Hello everyone. So today we will study the last method of unit number 5, that is method of separation of variables. This is also one of the method of partial differential equations. Here separation of variables is also known as Fourier method. Okay, this method is also called as Fourier method. And it is a powerful technique to solve the partial differential equations. This method helps us to solve the different partial differential equations. Okay, so method of separation of variables is used to solve partial differential equations. How this method is applied, that we will see through the examples. So moving towards the examples, example 1, solve x del u by del x minus 2y into del u by del y equal to 0. Okay, so the question is given and we have to solve it by using the method of separation of variables. So first of all, we have to write that let the solution be ux comma y equal to, why we have written x comma y? Because here first term is del u by del x, so we have written x, and the second term is del u by del y, so we have written y. If here it was del u by del t and here it was del u by del m, then here we have to write t comma m. Okay, જેના રિસ્પેક્ટમાં partial differentiation કરવામાં આવેલું હોય, if it is del u by del x, then you have to write here x. જો del u by del t હોત તો અહીંયા y ની બદલે શું આવત? t આવત. As here we have x and y terms, we will write here ux comma y. Okay, so that is equal to capital X and it is with respect to x, and capital Y, which is also with respect to small y. So finally we will get ux comma y, that is nothing but x into y. Okay, so this is our equation 1. So in each and every example, your step 1 will be like this. Okay, if here it was t comma m, then here we will get capital T into capital M. Okay, so now we will do del u by del x. So differentiation with respect to partial differentiation with respect to x. જો આનું partial differentiation x ના રિસ્પેક્ટમાં કરીએ તો શું થાય? x છે એનું શું થઈ જશે? x dash, and y will remain as it is. Similarly, if we do del u by del y, then x term will remain as it is and y નું differentiation શું થશે? y dash. Okay, now we will substitute both these values in the given function. Okay, so substituting these values in given equation, whatever the given equation is there, we have to put these values. So what is the given equation? X into del u by del x, but del u by del x is x dash y, so we have to write here x dash y minus 2y into del u by del y ની જગ્યાએ શું લખી શકીએ? x y dash લખી શકીએ. So here we will write x y dash equal to 0. Okay, so now if I take this y term this side, then we will get x into x dash y equal to 2y into x y dash. Okay, and if I again take x terms one side and y terms one side, x terms છે બધી એક સાઈડ લઉં અને y terms છે આ સાઈડ લઉં, તો કેવી રીતના આવશે? x dash by x, this x will come here and this y will go here, so we will have 2y into y dash by y. Okay, and if we say that it is equal to some constant, say k, okay, and equal to koi pan constant levano છે. So if we are taking k, then we will get x into x dash by x equal to k, and this both the terms are equal to k, so we can write like this, that this term is equal to k and again this term is also equal to k. Okay. So now if we solve both these equations, then what we will get? We have to solve both these equations. So solving this both equations, what we will get? X dash by x equal to k by x. Okay, જે આ x છે એને આને મેં આના ડિનોમિનેટરમાં મોકલી દીધો છે. This x I have transferred to the denominator of k, so it will be x dash by capital X equal to k by x, and similarly here also we will get y dash by y equal to k by 2y. Okay, so in short I obtained x dash by x and y dash by y. So now what we will do? We will take integration. So taking integration, we will take integration of both these equations. આનું પણ integration કરશું અને આનું પણ integration કરશું. Okay. So if we take integration of this term, then what we will get here? જુઓ, x નું derivative અહીંયા છે ઉપર. Differentiation of x શું થાય? x dash. તો x નું differentiation જ્યારે ઉપર આપેલું હોય તો ત્યારે એને આપણે, there is one rule that if the differentiation of this denominator term lies in the numerator term, then directly it will be log of denominator term. Okay, it will be log of denominator term. What is the denominator term? X. So answer is log x. Okay, so x dash by x છે એનું differentiation, એનું integration શું થશે? Log x. So here we will get log x equal to k, again 1 by x is log x, plus we have to add some constant, so it is log c1. So I will get log x equal to log x raised to k. k log x છે એને આવી રીતના પણ લખી શકીએ. That is log x raised to k. આ જે ટર્મ છે આની ઉપર જતી રહેશે. So it is log x raised to k plus log c1. So I will get log x equal to log, આ બંને એડિશનમાં છે, so we can write its product. So it is xk into c1. Okay, and now this both the logs will be cancelled from both the sides, so I will get x equal to xk into c1. Okay, so finally I got x equal to c1 into xk. So from this term we got x equal to c1 into xk. Now we will integrate this term. So integrating this term we will get log y. Okay, y dash by y, integration of this term will be log y. That is equal to k by 2 into log y. K by 2 is constant and the integration of 1 by y is log y. Plus log of, we have to add any constant, so let us add log c2. Okay, so here we will get log y equal to, again I can transfer this term here, so it is log y raised to k by 2 plus log c2. Okay, now again these terms are in the addition, so we can write its product. So it is y into y raised to k by 2 into c2. That is equal to log y. So finally we will cancel this log from both the sides and we will get y equal to c2 into y raised to k by 2. So we got the terms x and y. You can see that we got x and y terms. Now we have to put this both the terms in equation 1. See, in the equation 1, ux comma y is equal to capital X into capital Y. We got the values of capital X and capital Y, so we will substitute these values in the equation 1. So finally we will get ux comma y. Okay, So let us substitute value of x and y in the equation 1. So substituting these values in equation 1. So what was your equation 1? That is ux comma y equal to capital X into capital Y. But we have the value of capital X, that is C1 into xk, and value of capital Y is C2 into y raised to k by 2. Okay. So I can write like this, C1 C2 into x raised to k into y raised to k by 2. And if I take C1, C2 as any constant a, then it is a into xk into y raised to k by 2, where a is C1 into C2. In place of C1, C2, I have written the constant a. So finally I got this u of x comma y. So answer of this question will be a into x raised to k into y raised to k by 2. Okay. So now example 2. Solve del u by del x plus del u by del y equal to 2 into x plus y into u. Okay. Again you can see that here the first term is of x and second term is of y. So the solution will be u of x comma y equal to capital X into capital Y. Okay. So again we got this equation 1, that is u of x comma y is equal to capital X and capital Y. Again we will find the value of capital X and capital Y and substitute here. So finally we will get the answer. Okay. So first of all we will carry out partial differentiation with respect to x and then with respect to y. So del u by del x શું થશે? So differentiation with respect to x, it will be x dash and y will remain as it is. Similarly, del u by del y will be x into y dash. So now we will substitute these values in the given equation, that is in this equation. So we will get, in place of this, what we have? X dash y plus xy dash is equal to 2x plus y into u. We also have the value of u, that is x into y. So here we have to put xy. Okay. So now if I open the brackets, then here I will get x dash y plus xy dash is equal to 2x into capital XY plus 2y into capital XY. Okay. Now if I take this term here, then I will get x dash y minus 2x into capital XY. And if I take this term here, then it will be this minus this term. Okay. And if I take y term common here, and if I will take x term common, then I will get such terms. Okay. So now if I send this x into the denominator part, then it will be x dash minus 2x into capital X by capital X, and here we will have in the denominator part capital Y, and that is equal to the constant k. So this term is also equal to k and this term is also equal to k. And so solving it further, I will get x dash by x minus this, both the x will get cancelled, so it will be minus 2x, and here this both y will get cancelled, so it will be 2y minus y dash by y equal to k. So I can write like this, minus y dash by y plus 2y equal to k. Now we will solve both these equations. How we will solve it? Then by integrating it. We will integrate this equation first and then we will integrate this equation. By integrating this equation, we will get capital X from here, and from here we will get capital Y, and then we will put both the values in the equation 1. So we will get the final answer. Okay. So integrating this equation, we will get log x minus 2, and integration of x is x square by 2 equal to kx plus c1, that is any constant. So you will get this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So you will get such term, that is log x equal to x square plus kx plus c1. But if I want to remove this log in order to get x, then here it will be exponential. જ્યારે પણ આ log આપણે remove કરશું તો ત્યારે આ સાઈડ શું આવી જશે? exponential. So capital X will be e raised to this term, whole term. So e raised to x square plus kx plus c1. So I can write like this, e raised to this term into e raised to c1. And if I write this term as a, then I will get a into e raised to x square plus cx. Okay, where a is this term. Now we will find y, capital Y. How we will find capital Y? Then by integrating this term. જેમ આપણે આનું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન કર્યું એવી રીતના હવે આનું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન કરશું. So we will get, integrating this term, we will get minus log y plus 2y square by 2. Integration of y is y square by 2 equal to ky plus c2. So that is equal to, again this both the two will get cancelled and I will get this log y equal to y square minus ky minus c2. Again to remove log, I will write this exponential term and that is equal to this term, and if I take this term as b, then it will be b into e raised to y square minus ky. So finally I got the value of y and value of x. We got x and y. So we will put this x and y in equation number 1. So substituting that values in equation 1, that is capital X into capital Y. So what is x? That is this term, and y is this term. So now if I write a into b equal to e raised to this all the terms, and if I take a into b as c, any one constant, okay, a અને b બંને અલગ અલગ કોન્સ્ટન્ટ છે, એની બદલે હું એ બંનેનું જગ્યાએ c પણ લખી શકું. So it will be c into this whole term. So finally this will be your answer. Okay. So now example 3. Using the method of separation of variables, solve del u by del x equal to 2 into del u by del t plus u, and at last after you get the result, that is you have, whenever you will find u capital X comma y, then you have to show that, x comma y, then you have to do this operation. Okay, આપણે જે u x comma y find કરીએ છીએ એ તો find કરવાનું જ છે, પણ એનો આન્સર આવી જાય પછી આપણે આ એક નવી વસ્તુ છે એ અપ્લાય કરવાની છે. ઓકે, ઇટ મીન્સ કે x છે ત્યાં x જ પુટ કરવાનું છે, પણ y છે ત્યાં 0 પુટ કરવાનું છે. ધેટ વી વિલ સી ઇન ધ એક્ઝામ્પલ. સો let us start. So again, now see, here we have x terms, but here we have t. So what we will write? ux comma t. So finally we will, at last what we will get? ux comma t, and that is equal to capital X into capital T. Okay, આગળ શું હતું? ux comma y, then we are getting capital X into capital Y, but here we have ux comma t, then we will get capital X into capital T. Okay, so we will find capital X and capital T, and then we will put both the values in this equation, so we will get the answer. Okay, so our first step will be, we will find del u by del x and del u by del t. So del u by del x will be x dash into t, and del u by del t will be x into t dash. Now we will substitute that both the values in the given equation, that is in this equation. So del u by del x, in place of del u by del x we will write x dash t equal to 2 into x t dash plus u. What is u? xt. Okay, del u by del x ની, del u by del t અને u ની વેલ્યુઝ આપણે આમાં મેઇન જે ઇક્વેશન આપેલું છે એમાં પુટ કરી છે. ઓકે, so now if I take capital X common from this term, then I will get such term, and if I send this x in the denominator part, then it will be x dash by x, and this t if I send here, then it will be 2t dash plus t by t, and that is equal to some constant k. So we can write like this, that x dash by x is equal to k, and 2t dash plus t by t is also equal to k. But this both the t will be cancelled, so it is 2t dash by t plus 1 equal to k. Now in order to find the values of x, capital X and capital T, what we will do? We will integrate both these equations. First of all, we will integrate this equation in order to find capital X, and then we will integrate this equation to find capital T. Okay? So solving both the equations, that is, first of all we will integrate x dash by x equal to k. So what will be the integration? Log x equal to kx plus log c1. And if I take this term here, then it will be log x minus log c1 equal to kx. But minus is there, so we can write like this, log x by c1, that is equal to kx. But if I want to remove this log, then it will be exponential raised to kx. And finally we want capital X, so capital X will be c1 into, this c1 will go here, that is c1 into e raised to kx. So we got capital X, now we will find capital T. And in order to find the capital T, we will integrate the another equation, that is 2t dash by t plus 1 equal to k. But I can write like this, 2t dash by t equal to k minus 1. Okay. So what we will get, its integration will be log t equal to, this 2 I will send here in the denominator part. So it will be 1 by 2 into k minus 1t plus log c2. And that is equal to log t by c2. Okay, log terms I have to clear, because it will be log t minus log c2, and that is equal to this term. So log t minus log c2 છે ને આમ પણ લખી શકીએ, log t by c2, that is equal to 1 by 2 into k minus 1t. And in order to remove the log, here we will write exponential term. So we got t. We got the value of t, that is c2 into e raised to 1 by 2 into k minus 1t. Now we will substitute this value of capital X and capital T in the equation 1. So if we will put in the equation 1, that is capital X into capital T, then this is the value of capital X and this is the value of capital T. Okay, so we got the answer. But here one more step is given, that you have to find u of x comma 0 equal to 6 into e raised to minus 3x. Then how we will find it? So for that, what is given, u of x comma 0 is equal to 6 e raised to minus 3x. So for that, we will compare this equation with this. It means that in place of t you have to write 0. In place of x there is x only, but in place of t you have to write 0, because here there is 0. So what we will get, c1 into c2 into e raised to kx. But because whenever you will put t equal to 0, then e raised to 0 will be 1. એટલે આટલું જ ખાલી મળશે, c1 c2 into e raised to kx. Okay, and that is equal to 6 e raised to minus 3x. Okay, now what we will do, we got the values. 1 minute guys. We got c1 c2 is equal to 6, and what is the value of k? That is minus 3. So from this equation we got the value of c1 c2 and k. Okay, that is k equal to minus 3 and c1 c2 is 6. Now that term we will put in the equation 1. So that is u of x comma t equal to 6 e raised to minus 3x into e raised to 1 by 2 into minus 4t. Okay, that value we have to substitute. We have to substitute these values in equation 2. Put in equation 2, that is in this equation. So if you put these values in equation 2, then C1, C2 ની જગ્યાએ શું આવશે? 6 e raised to, in place of k you have to write minus 3x into e raised to 1 by 2. In place of k it is minus 3 into minus 1, that is minus 4t. So we got this values, and again this 2 will get cancelled. So we will get 6e minus 3x into e raised to minus 2t. Okay. So the final answer will be u of x comma t equal to 6 e raised to minus 3x plus 2t. If I take exponential terms together. So your final answer will be this. Okay. So whenever you are given such conditions of x comma 0, then you have to compare it with this equation. That is, in place of x you have to write x, but in place of t you have to write 0. You have to compare here. Okay. So you will get such two terms, and that terms you have to substitute in the main equation. So you will get the final answer. Okay. Example 4. Using the method of separation of variables, solve del u by del x equal to 4 into del u by del y, given that u of 0 comma y is equal to 8 into e raised to minus 3y. Okay, in the previous example, what was given here? In place of 0 comma y it was given x comma 0. So during that time, in place of x we have put x, and in place of t we have substituted 0. But here in the place of x we will put 0, and in place of y we will put y only in the final equation. Okay. So again, here we have x terms and here we have y terms. So we have ux comma y equal to capital X into capital Y. So we will find the value of capital X and capital Y and substitute here, and then we will use this formula, and then we will get the final answer. So first of all, we will find del u by del x. So from this equation, del u by del x will be x dash and y will remain as it is. And del u by del y will be x will remain as it is, and derivation of y will be y dash. Now we will put these values in the given equation, that is in this equation. So substituting in given equation, then what we will get? In place of del u by del x we have to write x dash y equal to 4 into del u by del y is x y dash. So if I take this x term here and y term here, then I will get x dash by x equal to 4y dash by y, and that is equal to k. Okay, you can take any constant, but generally we are taking k. So this term will also be equal to k, and this term will also be equal to k. That is x dash by x is also equal to k, and 4y dash by y is also equal to k. So from this equation we will find the value of x, and from this term we will find the value of y, capital Y. But how we will find it? By integrating both the equations. First of all we will integrate this equation, and then we will integrate this equation. So we will get the value of capital X and capital Y, and that value we will put here. Okay. So integrating, first of all we will integrate this term, then it will be log x equal to kx plus log c1. So it will be log, if I take this term here, then I can write like this, log x by c1 equal to kx. But if I want to remove the log, then it will be x by c1 equal to e raised to kx. So, but I want only capital X, so it will be x equal to c1 into e raised to kx. So we got the value of capital X. And similarly, if you will integrate 4y dash by y equal to k, now you all know how to integrate. Then you will get y equal to c into e raised to ky by 4. Okay. C equal to y equal to c into e raised to ky by 4. But here c is equal to c2 raised to 1 by 4. So you will get y equal to c2 into c2 raised to 1 by 4 into e raised to ky by 4. But c2 raised to 1 by 4 છે એની જગ્યાએ શું લખ્યું છે c. So finally you got the value of capital X and capital Y. So now we will put these values in the equation number 1. So we will get, substituting these values in equation 1. What is our equation 1? Ux comma y equal to capital X into capital Y. Then what is the capital X we got? C1. C1 into e raised to kx, and capital Y we got c into e raised to ky by 4. Okay. So if I take c1 into c, a, જો c1 અને c કોન્સ્ટન્ટ છે ને હું a લઈ લઉં તો મને શું મળશે? a into e raised to kx plus ky by 4. And if I again take k common, then I will get ux comma y equal to a e raised to x plus y by 4, and k is common. So we finally got the value of ux comma y. Okay, but in the question it is also given that you have to put u0 comma y equal to 8 e raised to minus 3y. It means in place of x you have to put 0, and in place of y it will be y only. So it will be, here you have to put in place of x 0, so it will be a e raised to 0 plus y by 4 into k. And that is equal to a raised to 8 e raised to minus 3y. And now if we compare this, comparing both the terms, then what we will get? We got a equal to 8, where we got the value of a, that is 8. And we got value of k by 4. We got the value of k by 4. It is ky by 4. Okay. So ky by 4 is equal to minus 3y. Then this y and y will be get cancelled. So I got k by 4 equal to minus 3. And therefore k equal to minus 12. So we got the value of a and we got the value of k. Now we will put both these values in the equation number 2. Okay, equation 2 ની અંદર જ્યાં જ્યાં પણ a છે ત્યાં 8 પુટ કરશું અને k છે ત્યાં -12 પુટ કરશું. Okay, so we will get u of x comma y equal to 8 e raised to x plus y by 4 into k. That is minus 12. Okay. So it will be 8 e raised to minus 12x into 8 e raised to minus 12y by 4. That is 3. So it is 8 e raised to minus 12x into e raised to minus 3y. So finally we got 8 e raised to minus common 12x plus 3y. So this is the final answer of this question. Okay. So do practice examples of this method at your home without fail. Thank you everyone. I hope you all liked my video lecture. Thank you.